Hello and howdy again, everybody. Welcome back to Hands On with Bill G. I am Bill G. I am lefty and I am righty. Today I've been looking around at the YouTube's thing and I seen when they made Captain Crunch chicken tenders, for crying out loud. Well, the last cereal I picked, believe it or not, is Captain Crunch. I saw two different versions. Just Captain Crunch, which is what I'm going to make, and I saw a Planet Hollywood copy that uses cornflakes, which I do not have. But they have a dipping sauce, Planet Hollywood dipping sauce, that I'm going to try, I guess. So we'll do just the Captain Crunch thingy here, I guess, and we'll do the Planet Hollywood dipping sauce. Oh, great. First thing I need is a blender, which I can't reach right now. A blender and or this little bad boy, right, y'all? Food processor, baby. Bring out the beast. Plug him in, plug him in. Okay, what we got first up, I guess. Let's get this ready. I don't know how well you can see. So what we got, 1 cup of Captain Crunch cereals, where it says. Put it in here. Now I'm going to lose this lid, and I'm not ever going to find it again, because it is gone. Oh, it's over here. Don't panic now, damn it. Stick with me. Breathe, damn you, breathe. And what we're going to do is pulse this up until it's basically dust. If I put it on low, it might stay low. There we go. Captain Crunch dust. Are we dustulated yet? We are dustulated, folks. Alright. So, we have Captain Crunch dust. Alrighty. Now, let me see what I got my notes over here. I'm going to cut my chicken into strips. So I need to get this out of the way. Right now I'm going to set you here. And I'm just going to set you out of the way. Down here somewhere. You just get out of the way. Unplug it so it doesn't come all by itself. So I'm just going to, some chicken boobs, I guess. Chicken boob fillets. I don't like the look of that piece right there. And, no, right there. I don't want that. You go over here. So I'm just going to cut some strips here. I suppose about like this. That looks good. I think I'll just leave that one. Looks alright. I'm going to go, no, let's say about maybe here. That looks pretty good. Alrighty. And I'm going to cut this one right about jaw. I guess that looks alright. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't claim to ever know what I'm doing. Well, sometimes I am. I do know what I'm doing sometimes when I'm cooking. This I'm just seen on YouTube a little bit ago and I thought I'd try it out. So we're going to try it out. Just going to leave that on there. I don't care. Just making what I can here. Little chicken boob fillets or whatever you call them. Tenders? Yeah. Chicken boob tenders. That's a nice looking boob right here. We're just going to cut that one in half like that. Okay, now. I put them in a bowl here. Yeah. That's what it says. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna keep some of these out. Let me wash my hands. I got soapy water in my sink here, my dishwater. Get my hands washed up. I'm gonna keep some of them out. I don't want to cook all of that. Hell, that'd be stupid. It's just me, you know. It's just me. I just want to cook a couple, see if they're any good. I'll put this many of them in here. How many does that give me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll get one more out of here. We'll do a half a dozen. How's that sound? 6. That looks good. The rest of these are going to get. The rest of these are going to get froze. Get in the freezer. Get in the freezer with your brethren. Wash my hands. Okay, now. I lost my towel. I don't need this now. You may leave me. Okay. And here it goes. So I got this here, sitting in a little bowl. I'm gonna need another bowl for this, eh? Yeah, I am. Let me get another bowl. There we go. That's easy. I think I need another bowl. Get all these guys out of here. Captain Crunch Crumbs. Who the fuck knew? Okay. Oh, get off of me, knife. Get off of me. Stay where I can see you. Okay, now, he says to season this up. And he said put about, what did he say? Half a teaspoon salt, pepper. Just going to kind of eyeball half teaspoon of each of these. About like that. And he said put about a half teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. So that's pretty good. Pretty close. Little onion powder. Remember, this comes out like hell, BLG. About a half teaspoon. Alright. He said you can kick her up with a little bit of cayenne. I like that. I like that guy. A little bit of cayenne. And kick her up a little. About the same. Half teaspoon or so. I think that's all he said to put in it. Let me look. Alright. Alright. Now, I'm going to take about a cup of flour. I don't have that many, so I'm just going to put a half cup of flour. If you're doing all of those, I would use a whole cup of flour. Instead of mix this all together. Kills two birds with one stone, he says. It gives us the pre-breading and all that good happy stuff. So here we go. But that does actually fucking work. That's kind of cool. Look at that. Hey? It actually kind of works as I make a mess all over the fucking counter. Alright. Make sure we got it all good here and coated up. Ooh, great timing. My oil just came up too. Alright. Get this fucking thing off of me. For now, just go over there. Alright, now what we do is I've got a little bit of whole milk and an egg. In this bowl it says to use whole milk and an egg. A little bit of each. I am using heavy cream. I have skim, or I have 2% milk, but I don't usually have good luck frying with 2% milk, so I'm going to try some heavy cream. See what that does? Coat up our little chickie. Get them all in the back up in here like this here. Get them down here in these crumbs. Take off that access there, BLG. I am. We'll get them down here in these crumbs. Toss this all around. Like this, hopefully. Cover this bad boy up. I don't know, this is really fucking weird. Will it be good? I could not tell you, folks. I do not know. It will, or it's going to suck monkey ass. One of the two. On the foil you go. There's one. Two coming up. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun. I am the friendly stranger in the black sedan. Won't you hop inside my car? I got pictures. Candy, I'm a lovable man. I can take you to the nearest star. I am your vehicle, baby. I'll take you anywhere. Oh my God. Oh, by the way, folks, my sedan is red. It's not black. Last black vehicle I owned was my Jeep CJ7. I had a 327, an old 327 Corvette motor in it. The V8, if you will. Alright. In you go. It's really sticky in here. It's raining and 70 something outside, but my God, is it muggy. I'm just trying my damnedest to not fire that air conditioner up. Get in the middle of the bowl here, bitch. There we go. Coating up some chicken. Tender things. See if they're fucking weird, and I don't want them. Oh, you! I don't know about this. Like I said, I do not know. That is really freaking strange, man. I'm gonna pack some of that on there. So I got one more. I don't know if I got enough crumbs to coat the motherfucker very well. We'll do what we can with this one. I don't know. This one's in God's hands. This chicken's like, oh, thank God, there's not much left in the bowl. I'll just do what I can with him. Smear him around a little bit here and there. Poke him here, poke him there. I'll get what I can. Get in the bowl. Get you some of that. This one's going to be sad. Sorry, buddy, but you're left out of the portrait. You one ugly family member. Alright, wash the fingers. Just so I can grab hold of stuff. I'm done with all this. For now, you just all go over here. Okay. Wipe off the countertop here real quick. Just because it's got flour all over it. And I guess we're going over here to the fryer next. I'll see you back here in just a second. Okay, folks, we're over here at the fryer. Not Fryer Tuck, just the fryer. I need to move these for a second. I'm going to put this wire rack on cookie sheet here for drainage reasons. And what I've heard that these guys are claiming, I don't have luck with this either. Start your oil at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Get your chicken in it, right? Not that chicken, this one's. Get your chicken in, shake it around. Chicken in, shake it around. Try to make sure it's not stuck together. Got one there, and I think I can work this last one in. Now they say to do this, and then turn this bitch down to 345. Or 340 or something like that. Yeah, it says to turn it down to 340. So I've turned it down to 340 now. Right after the chicken went in. I don't know if this works or not. So I'm done with this foil. And I can actually dump that out of here. And these are supposed to fry 5 to 7 minutes. Just like this, I guess. We'll find out. I'll see you in 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to set the cooking timer now. Cooking timer. We'll go 6 minutes. Start. Start. There she goes. I'll see you back in just a few. Alright folks, it's been 5 minutes. I'm pulling them. Those look good to me. They're cooked. On to the strainer. The strain, I got my hot oil. Put off. I'm going to spread these guys out just a little bit here and let them drain. And we'll get on to the next phase. I'm going to clean up this mess and see you back here in just a couple of minutes after I get the dishes done. Get everything straightened up. We'll make this dipping sauce. Okay, folks. We're back in the old kitchen-a-roo. And we're going to make this dipping sauce. I don't know if it's any good, but this guy says, where am I at? Where am I at? Over here. Why is that next to Boston baked beans? Oh well. Fuck, it's close enough. It ain't like I'm going to make this all the time. This guy says 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I guess I could just kind of visualize. I kind of know what 2 tablespoons look like. We had Dijon mustard. Who knew? The Whiffy must have bought it. Ooh, it's all watery. I'm going to get rid of that crap. Hang on. I got to squish this. I'm going to rinse that out. That's nasty. Okay. That's about 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, right, chopped. And it says 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. Okay, that's about 1. And it says to do 1 teaspoon of creamy horseradish, which I do not have. Sriracha has horseradish in it. I'm just going to put a dribble of that. Good, good. That's good enough. Someday I might actually have, watch that off, BLG. I might actually have correct ingredients for something. So anyway, now we've got 3 tablespoons of mayo. We are going to use this for that, this for that. About 3 tablespoons. Even heaping a little bit, that's fine. I'm going to go with that. This kind of is reminding me of very similar to the Outback Steakhouse Bushman mushroom dip. And Outback Steakhouse Bloomin' Onion dip that we made a while back in those videos. It also calls, I'm pretty sure he wants 1 teaspoon of honey. I just opened this. Ooh, honey. That's about a teaspoon of honey. Is that everybody in the pool? Dijon, mayo, yellow mustard, horseradish, teaspoon of honey, stir. I guess I could have whisked. Yeah, this looks kind of like the same as the Bushman mushroom. Look at that. And the blooming onion. Yeah. Yeah, it tastes like it too. Except for the sweetness of the honey's good. Okay, I'm going to put these back real quick. Get this. Nope, you don't need to refrigerate honey. No, don't do that, people. You don't need to. Alright, put the honey over here. We're coming down to the grand slam end of it here, folks. I'll bring you guys over here. And that's it. So don't need you. You go over here. So the big question, is it any good? I guess we're going to find out. I'm going to take Mr. Ugly Pants over here, run him through here, in the dipping sauce first. It's cooked. Okay, it's good. I don't really taste Captain Crunch because of the dipping sauce. Let's try it straight up. There's the Captain Crunch. But it's not quite as sweet as you would think it would be. It's there, but it's not overpowering. That is good stuff, folks, I'm telling you. Unbelievable. Who knew? People at Planet Hollywood, they knew. But this isn't the Planet Hollywood. Remember, I don't have cornflakes. But it's good. Try it out. If you haven't already. Shit, I've been finding videos on this shit back from fucking 3 years ago, 4 years ago. I never knew about it till today, till this morning. So now I'm trying it. It's good. I'm here to tell you it's good. So anyways, that's it for this episode. Hands on with BLG. Hope you liked it. Had fun with me like I have fun cooking, you know. I deeply appreciate you guys that did subscribe and that will be subscribing. It really means a lot to me. It's pretty much all I got to do is hang around on here and have fun with you guys. It's fun. I enjoy it. And please hit the little likes and subscribes, ring the little bells if you would. And yeah, I guess that's about it for this episode. So for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG, I am Lefty, and I am Righty. Damn it, you all know what to do until the next episode, people, and that is right. What is it? It's something to do with, and that's right. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.